Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Simon Mokonda. Today we are going to be looking at how to trim. Okay. So basically what trimming is getting rid of parts that you don't need on your drawing. It's different from deleting. At a later stage we will look at how to delete an item. But for now we are going to be looking at how to trim. So let's just draw up some basic shapes. For instance, let's draw a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, let's go ahead and go to the rectangle command under your drawing tools. Select rectangle. Now let's draw a rectangle that is going to be 1000 by 1000. Okay, let's say 1000. Okay, press comma, then type in 1000 again. Okay, now zoom in so you can be able to see. Okay, and what we have done here, rather than a square, we have rather than a rectangle, we have constructed a square. Okay, let's repeat this again. So go ahead and say rectangle and draw a rectangle. Now this time around, just draw a rectangle anywhere inside here. And again, just say 1000, comma. Now as you press comma, you can see that you've entered the X coordinates. You are now entering the Y coordinate. So you can say 1000 again. And now you have a rectangle like that. Here. Just for a little more practice, again, we can even draw other shapes, such as the circle with a diameter of maybe 500 and another circle with a diameter of 500. Now, these two circles are going to be apart from each other. So to do that, let's go ahead and select the center part of a circle, then draw a circle outside that is going to be 600. Press enter. Okay, let's now copy these two circles. Now you can just come up with your own distance that you like to paste this out. And I'll paste it round about that point. Okay. Now to trim this part, to get rid of the parts that we don't need, that is, what we're now going to do is activate the command called trim, and it's under your modify, find a tool called trim. If you don't see it, you'll see extend. Next to extend, there is going to be a tool called trim. So click on that, it will say select object to trim. Now click on each object or just drag over the object that you want to be able to get rid of. Now can you see that you have trimmed a part of the object that you have constructed. Okay, let's repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to trim off this part, trim off this part, trim off that part, trim off that part. Okay, I can continue and I can say I can trim this part out, trim that part out. I can trim that part out, I can trim that part out, and that's a shape that I now have. Okay, so basically that is how you trim your object. If you have any questions on this, again, please know what to do. Just text me in the box below. And remember to subscribe if you have not yet done that. That's it for today. See you next time.